Now, guys, okay. So in IT world, in programming world, guys, now listen carefully, guys, here. In programming world, in IT world, there are four kinds of languages, four kinds of programming languages, guys. Listen carefully, guys. Four kinds of programming language in IT world. Okay. What are those, sir? कौन से हो, sir? Yeah, we have to discuss here, guys. Okay. So what is the nature of C language, guys? Okay. First of all, what is the nature of C language? We have to discuss here. So C language is nothing but a functional procedure oriented language. Yeah, this is the nature of C language, guys. Okay, so already I said that in the programming world there are four kind of programming languages. So first one is a functional procedure oriented language, guys. Okay, fine. What about other languages, sir? Okay, we have to see what about other languages. Okay, what is the nature of C++, Java, Node.js, React.js, okay, Kotlin, okay, Swift, okay, PHP. What is the nature of these languages? So these languages are nothing but a object-oriented programming languages. Object-oriented programming languages. Okay. So we have to keep in mind that we have in IT world, there are four kind of programming languages. First one is a functional procedure oriented language. Second one, object oriented programming language. These two languages we heard just, right? Okay. After that, what about JavaScript? What about TypeScript? What about Go language? Okay. What about Rust language? Okay. What is the nature of these languages? So these languages are nothing but a scripting languages. These languages are nothing but a scripting languages. Okay, these languages are called scripting languages. Yeah, fine. After this, we have seen three kinds of programming language. Now, come towards the last one. What is the nature of this language? Ruby or ABC? Scala is also there. Okay. What is the nature of these languages, guys? So these languages are nothing but a modular languages. These languages are nothing but a modular languages. Okay, perfect. So already I said that in the IT world there are four kind of languages. Okay, which are functional procedure oriented language, object oriented programming language, scripting language, and modular language. Yeah. To this one, we've seen about these four kind of things. Yeah, perfect. Now, yeah, we'll come because definitely will come towards the Python. Yeah, after the seeing the comparison. Yeah. So now come towards the Python here, guys. Come towards the Python. What about Python, guys? Anybody can guess Python is which type of programming language? Is it a object oriented? Is it a functional? Or it is scripting? Or it is a modular language? Anyone can guess, guys. Come on. Anyone. We already seen there are four kind of programming language. So anyone can guess that what kind of Python language. Yeah, Lakshmikant saying object oriented. Okay, good. Lakshmikant. Any other guys? Any other answer? Rehan saying functional. Yeah, okay, good. Anyone? Yeah, Ashwini saying scripting. Yeah, Sumit saying all in one. Yeah, well done. Well done, Sumit. All types. Yeah, Siyagiri saying all. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So I'll write down the one word here, guys. So Python is a all-rounder. Such a beautiful language, guys. Yeah. So Python is all-rounder. What is that, sir? You said that in IT world there are four kinds of programming languages, and you have written the one word here, all-rounder. All-rounder is nothing but, guys. Python is a Python has each and every feature about the all programming language. Like Python is object oriented language, Python is a scripting language, Python is a modular language, and Python is a functional procedure oriented as well. Okay. So I'll come question in mind. uh, Okay, if I'm getting everything into my Python, okay, I'm getting everything into my Python. Does I really want to learn other languages, guys? Okay, let's suppose I'll take the another example. Okay, if you are staying in one of the city, Pune city or Mumbai, Bangalore, any city you can consider Hyderabad. Okay, and so let's suppose you are getting everything, whatever you require, you are getting inside your city. So does really want to shift in another city? Whatever you want required, you are getting inside your city. Job you are getting, school you are getting, everything, everything. Does it really require to go or shift somewhere if I am getting? Obviously, sir, no, sir. If I am getting everything into within a city, then what is the requirement, sir, to go outside, right? Definitely no, right? So same here, guys. So if I am getting everything, okay, what are the programming languages in IT world? All features by default coming into my Python, okay, then there is nothing, right? You do not require to learn other things, right? So that's the top reason, guys, why Python is on a top. Okay, if you see on a Google top languages, top programming language, always you see the Python. Why? Because everything I'm getting inside my Python. So because of that, nowadays from last 7 to 8 years, Python is on top. So that's the first reason, guys, why Python is on top. So I hope, guys, you got the reason why Python is on top. Okay. Right. Now come towards the second reason, guys. Second reason we have to understand after the Python. Okay, first reason we have already understood that why Python is on top. We have to understand that another reason why Python is on the top. Okay. So I'll Mhm. Okay. Now we're going to make one more impactful sentence here, guys. Now in in day-to-day life, there are several areas. Okay, there are several areas where we are using our programming languages. Okay, what are those areas, sir, where we are using in day-to-day life? Okay, okay. So we'll take that examples, and after that we'll see the reason why Python is not. Okay, okay. So let's suppose currently I'm using the Zoom.com. Right? So this is nothing but a web application, right? This is nothing but a web application. Zoom.com, Instagram.com, Facebook.com, Google.com, Yahoo.com. There are so many web applications are there, right? That we are using day to day life. Correct? So, so here we are using the programming language. Without programming language, we cannot develop the web application. So definitely the programming languages are using inside the web application. After that, mobile application, mobile application. Yeah. So in this topic, no need to discuss furthermore, right? We know that definitely you are using the mobile applications, right? Okay. So there is also programming languages involved inside the mobile application. But now gaming games, right? Free Fire, PUBG, Snakebite, Asphalt, many games are there. There are also programming languages involved. Okay. Fine. After that, data science, okay. AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, IoT, network applications, desktop applications, Okay. So I have written down this some even database applications. Okay. Fine. So I have written down some main core areas in day to day. Yeah. I'll explain IoT. Okay. Fine, guys. Yeah. So in these areas, guys, what are the areas I have written here? Here, in these areas, we are using the programming languages. We'll discuss which programming language we are using. But the thing is that we have to keep in mind that we are using the programming language. With the help of that programming language, we are developing these kind of application in these areas. Okay, fine. Now, let me explain the one by one here. Web application, already I said. Mobile application, not required to be explained here, right? Gaming, already I discussed. Data science will take the separate thing here. This session. After this reason we'll discuss about the data science. Yeah, artificial intelligence. Yep. So artificial intelligence, you can see the many applications are coming like ChatGPT, chatbots, Google Assistant, face recognition, right? Sensor log, fingerprint log. There are so many applications which are built on a AI, right? Machine learning, recommendation system, right? These are the examples of the machine. So many examples are there. Right? Deep learning, face recognition, right? Sensor unlock हो गए वो जो सब example है वो deep learning के and IoT, Internet of Things, guys. This is the popular Internet of Things, home automation. Yeah, inside the IoT, home automation will come. Office automation, home automation, like fan on off, bulb on off, TV on off, with the help of the voice. Alexa is the perfect example of the IoT. Based on Alexa, right? We'll give the voice command and it will accordingly it will work, right? So Amazon Alexa is the one of the example of the IoT. Network applications, guys, hacking kind of things, sniping, spoofing, uh, DOS, DDoS kind of attacks, right? We can do with the programming. So there also programming involved. Desktop application, calculator, Notepad++, other than which is not required the internet to run it, right? So those applications are nothing but a desktop application. And after that, database applications, right? SQL, MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL. These are the examples of the database application. So now question will come here, guys. Okay, question will come here, guys. That if I learn a Python, okay, already I seen that everything I'm getting into my Python, right? Now the next question here, sir. Now I learned the Python, and I want to jump in a gaming application. I want to develop a gaming application. So can I do it? That is the question for some student. That is the question. So can I develop gaming application? Yes, man. You can develop a game application. You can create a peer kind of things, peer kind of application you can create, PUBG kind of application you can create with the help of the Python. That's what it guys sir. Okay. If some student may chance that they want to become a data scientist, okay. So they that being in their mind, the question will rise like, sir, after learning Python, can I enter into data science field? Yes, man. Yes, you can go data science. You can become a data scientist as well with the help of the Python. Yes. Can I develop a web application? Yes, perfectly. Can I develop IoT applications? Yes, perfectly. There is a you don't have any restriction here, guys. Because earlier, yeah, we'll discuss because later we'll discuss. Okay. Just we have to keep calm. We'll cover everything. Okay. After that, we have kept 15 minutes for a query session. In that, you can raise your doubt. Okay. Yeah. So here, you don't have any restriction here, guys. After learning Python, happily you can enter into any field, guys. You don't have any restriction. That is the biggest advantage of the Python. Okay, if you learn a Java, okay, you have a certain limitations, right? You cannot enter into AI field, data science field, machine learning field, deep learning field, generative AI. These languages have some limitations, but Python don't have any limitations, guys. That is the biggest advantage here. You'll get it. Okay, happily you can enter into any field as per your interest, right? Every people has different interests, right? So accordingly they can enter into their field, right? That is the biggest advantage we are getting here. So because of that, guys, because of that, that is the second reason why Python is on a top. We have to keep in mind, guys. These two reasons are very important. Okay, I'm frequently saying why Python is on top. Okay, we're not getting any restriction, and everything I'm getting into my Python. Python is a one man army, guys. Perfect. समझ में आया guys? अभी तक up to this one, anybody has any doubt? You can give me the response in chat. Up to this one, are you guys able to follow me? Up to this one, up to this one. Yeah, come on, guys. Clear, guys? Yeah, Alex Singh, yes, sir. Yeah, Ryan Singh, yes, yes. Yeah, good. Yeah, yeah. Please give response, guys. We'll feel good. Yeah, fine, fine, fine. Good, good, good. Yeah. So this is the second topmost reason we seen here, guys. For okay. Now we'll come towards the next point here, guys. Okay. Mhm. Now, so I hope you have gone through our ad, right? Okay. What are the things we have mentioned in our script sprite ad that we talk here? So this is the internship program, 3 months internship program, right? And basically, inside our internship program, our target is on data science, right? Fine. Okay, so we have to clarify that why we are choosing the data science only. Okay, not other field, not other role. Why? We have to clarify it. Okay. Fine. So now the question will come into my mind that after learning, sir, now I have good commands on a Python and I want to do a job in organization. Okay. So what are the roles I'll get? Okay. What are the roles I'll get in an organization, in a MNCs, okay, multinational companies, in product-based companies like Google, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. So inside that, which role I'll get after the learning? That things we have to discuss here, guys. Okay. So may chance you will get Python developer. May chance you will get the role Python developer. May chance you will get full stack Python developer. May chance, may chance. Okay. Okay. May chance you will get data analyst. Okay. May chance you will get data scientist. May chance you will get data engineer. May chance you will get Python AWS engineer. May chance you will get machine learning developer. May chance you will get deep learning developer. May chance you will get AI developer or AI engineer. There are several roles, guys. So top high paying roles I have mentioned here, guys. Okay. Okay. Just be concentrated, guys. You'll get the fun here, guys. Okay. Why I'm writing here? Because there is a reason. Okay. So we have to be concentrated here, guys. Okay. Fine. So now, guys, in after learning the Python, what are the roles we are getting? Python developer, may chance you'll get full stack Python developer, data analyst, data scientist, data engineer. Python, AWS engineer, machine learning, deep learning, and AI development. Okay. So among all roles, guys, which one has the highest package we have to see here? Okay. Which role has the highest package? Okay. So let me open the here. Okay. So now we'll check here what is the average salary we'll get here. Okay. For a data scientist, average salary for data analyst, we'll see first. Okay. So yeah, so we are able to see that 6 lakh, minimum 6 lakh we are getting here according to Glassdoor. We are getting a 6 lakh per annum, right? For a data analyst role, right? Now, sir, we have to see for data engineer. Okay. For data engineer, okay. So getting 26 lakh in India, right? 26 typically. Okay, in between. Average rate 26, but we have to see. Okay. For data scientists, we have to see. Okay. Near 14, right? Near 14, we are getting. Right. So we seen these three roles. Previously, one student has asked out that what is the difference between data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. So we have to distinguish here. Data engineer, the data scientist, and data analyst. Okay. So what is the technologies, terminologies? Okay. What are the steps we require to become a data engineer, to become a data scientist, and to become a data analyst? We have to discuss here, guys. Okay. So to become a data engineer, we require the Hadoop. Okay. But in data scientist and in data analyst, we do not require it. Okay. We required a cloud technology to become a data engineer. We required cloud technology. Okay. Like AWS, GCP, or Microsoft Azure will require to become an engineer. Here optional, guys. Here optional. Okay, it is not a compulsory in data scientist in data. Okay. After that, one programming language is required. Here is optional, guys. In data engineer, programming language is optional, but in data scientist and in data analyst, it is a compulsory. Which we are taking the language Python. Already I mentioned the reason why we are taking the Python because everything I'm getting into my Python and there is any restrictions. Okay, next one, database required. You have to know about the database, SQL and NoSQL. Here also required and here also required. Why? No. Mathematics and stats. Okay, here are required. Okay, maths and stats. Here not required. And here also not required. Then machine learning and deep learning. It is required for data scientists and it is optional for data analyst and it is not required for the data engineer. Then NLP, computer vision, it is required for to become a data scientist. It is completely optional here and it is not required here. So these are the main things we required to become a data scientist. So most of the things will come cover inside the data scientist role. We are going to take first programming language. After that, we are covering the database, mathematics, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision. So these are the main titles. We'll discuss slowly, gradually, one by one. But for now, we have to keep in mind that we are uh, conducting our internship program on a basis of the data science. Okay, perfect. So now the question will come in mind that, sir, who can attend this program? Okay, who can attend this program? कौन है वो? ठीक है, जो अटेंड कर सकता है क्या? इसके प्रीक्विजिट्स है, right? We have to discuss here, guys. What are the prerequisites here? So, guys, you do not require any programming language. Zero knowledge is enough, guys. Zero knowledge. Zero knowledge is enough to attend this session. You do not require any prerequisites. Yeah, just you should have on a laptop, okay, and passionate about a data scientist. That's two things are the prerequisites to attend this session, attend this program, guys. Okay. There is apart from this, there is nothing is required. Okay. I hope you got the answer here. Now, fine. Now I'll define one more thing, guys, that what is the data science here? Okay, and why we are taking that on. Right? So I'll show you some images. So with the help of that, I'll give the example perfect answer. You will get the idea about the what is the data science here. Okay, so let me open some images here, guys. Okay, just a minute. I hope you can see the model of the goals, raw goals. Okay, okay. So this is the example of the data science. क्या बात कर रहे हो, sir? This is the example of the data science. Real. Yeah, I'll give the perfect example here, guys. So this is completely raw thing, guys. The raw mud is there, and from this raw mud, okay. I hope everyone seen the movie of the KGF, right? Gold mining we seen in the KGF movie, right? These kind of paths are there, and from that they are doing the gold mining, right? Okay, so initially they'll get the raw kind of things, right? They'll not get the exact kind of jewelry, right? They'll get definitely like that jewelry. No, no, they'll not get it. Okay, they'll get the raw material, right? Kind of thing. They'll get the after the mining, they'll get these kind of materials, right? So what they'll do, okay, they'll do the gold extract from that kind of stones, right? They'll do the some process and extract the golds from the stones, right? And they collect it. After that, collecting the gold particles, they'll create a biscuits of it, right? They'll create in the form of the biscuit. So with the help of their biscuits, they'll create the jewelry, right? So this is the entire step, guys. So this is the perfect example of the data science. So what we'll do here, that we'll get the raw kind of things, guys, here, raw kind of things, right? And we have to do the analyze thing. We have to modify it. We have to do the mining kind of things, and we have to create a lastly this output, guys. This is the perfect example of the data science. I'll take the one more example here, guys, about the data science. Okay, so we'll get the better idea here. So let's suppose, guys, earlier, okay, when the Amazon e-commerce, okay, I'll take the Amazon e-commerce shopping, Amazon shopping. I'll take the example here. This is the perfect example of the data science. So earlier days, we are not doing the shopping from the Amazon. Why? Why? Nowadays, the trend has completely has been changed. We are doing everything from the online, right? We are doing shopping everything from the online itself. But earlier days, we are not doing it. Okay. So we'll see the how the data science has been helped here to boom their business. Okay. Fine. I'll explain here. Okay. So let's suppose in earlier days, okay, what are the problems of the Amazon shopping? Okay. So may chance we in earlier days we are getting doubt that in Amazon we'll get the fake product, right? That is the first biggest issue that will come into mind, that we are while purchasing something from the Amazon, the first thing will get into mind that may chance will get a fake product, right? And it will take into more than 1 week, right? Delivery time, right? Delivery time has more, right? Initially days, delivery time it was taking to deliver your item, it was taking 1 week to 8 to 10 days, right? That is a huge. Okay. Then they are taking delivery charges as well, right? Delivery charges. They are taking delivery charges, right? To deliver your item, right? So initially days, uh, these are the problems, right? Mainly they come into the mind that it is taking longer time to deliver our items. Also, they are taking the charges, and may chance we'll get the fake product. So these kind of issues initially days they have, right? Okay. So how the data scientist has been helped here to boom their business, right? So we have to see here, and you'll get know about the everything about the data science here. Okay. So what data scientist has had find out the solution here. Okay. Okay. So first they have been reduced the delivery time, right? Initially days they are taking the much longer time to deliver your code. Let's suppose Valentine Day is coming, right? And if someone is planning to give gift to their girlfriend or boyfriend, just imagine it, okay? And suddenly, or may chance, on a right time, the product has not been delivered, right? Then it will create problem, right? It will create such a big, right? On a on sheer state, you are not getting that particular item or not delivered, so it will be create a problem, right? Okay. So this is the biggest advantage of Amazon shopping. So why people will move towards the Amazon shopping? If you are getting fake product, it will not deliver on time, it will taking deliveries. Instead of they'll go to market and purchase it whatever they want, right? But what they did, or how the data scientists will help here, guys? They reduced the year time, right? Reduced the year time. That is the first thing they did. Okay. Now, if you order mobiles, right? If you order mobiles, you'll get within a 2 to 3 days, or may chance they are offering, or we are getting our product in within a 24 hours, right? So how they have been implemented this facility? So with the help of the data scientist, now they are giving the replacements as well, quality, guarantee, all things are they are offering, right? Perfect. This is also they have been and now they are not taking the delivery charges. So these things the data scientist has been reasoned. And now you can see the Amazon is on the top, right? Okay. Now we are doing everything. Each item now you can say we are doing shopping from the Amazon or Flipkart itself, right? So here also they have been data scientist has been helped here. Okay. Okay. So we have lots more example. We'll cover later once we enter into a complete our internship programs. So till here, guys, I hope everyone gets the understand. Uh, okay. So, guys, HR, can you unmute all guys so they can raise their doubts so we can clarify it. So, guys, keep your questions ready. You can ask me one by one. We'll clarify. For this one, guys, anybody has any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.
On yourself.
Now, guys, um, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me the question. Anybody has any doubt, guys? Anything? Yes, you have any doubt? कुछ डाउट है सर पूछ सकते हैं कुछ भी And then, yeah, Rehan is asking, sir, college degree is important or experience in coding language? So I'll say, Rehan, both are not required. You have to fascinate it about. Even आपने सुना होगा न्यूज में भी even a small child has been developed some applications, right? Because he is passionate about it, right? That is more required. Degree is just a certificate, guys. Degree is not important, and you'll get the experience, right? It will not come suddenly, right? It will come gradually. So both things are not required. Duration of this language. Duration of this course is 3 months program. It's completely, and we'll is from the HR. We'll get the complete syllabus copy, so you can walk through it. Or else I can explain, complete the syllabus copy here. So, anybody has any doubt here up to this one? After that, I'll explain the complete syllabus copy here. Duration of this language. Yeah, 3 months already. I said. Ryan saying, Ryan. The any other guys, please confirm. Come on, guys, bolo. Come on.
Yeah, if they not able to unmute themselves, can raise the hand. I will allow them.
Yeah, if unable to someone raise the hand. Yeah. Okay. Hi, guys. I'll explain the syllabus copy here. After that, you can ask me the doubt here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this program, the duration of this program is completely 3 months, guys. So it is not exactly 3 months, but it may chance it will extend 3 months. But we kept it for 3 months, guys. Okay. And after that, we are targeting. Okay, we are targeting to complete at least 5 real-time projects, guys. Okay, at least a five. If I get the good response from you guys, then we'll try to take more than other projects as well, real-time projects, but at least five. Okay, that assurance I am giving you, yeah, that at least 5 real-time projects we'll cover. Okay, and one capstone projects we are covering. Okay, end to end, completely. How we'll deploy, how to create it, other steps we'll discuss completely. One capstone project we'll cover. 20 models we are taking it here. 14 tools and 25 machine learning algorithms here. That is the biggest advantage here. You can compare any other institute uh, internship program. They are not covering the complete 25 algorithms, but that is the specialty of the splits, right? That we are covering the 25 machine learning algorithms, advanced. Okay, each and everything I'm taking into here. Okay, then what we'll give? Okay, we'll give the notes, PPTs, codes, data sets. We'll give you. Okay, and also we'll conduct the exams on once the topic will finish. Okay, and we'll give the some assignments on a daily basis. Okay, so that thing will not stop until our code finish. Okay, then we'll offer two certifications, guys, 3 month internship programs, and as well we'll offer the training completion certificate. Okay, after the completion of our internship program. Okay, so I'll take one more session on a resume building because why it is important, because in IT industries, okay, the first step is very important, that you should have been crack your resume, right? You have to shortlist your resume, right? Without shortlist, you will not get the any interview call. So that is the more important here, guys. So I'll take the one more session here to how to build our resume. So for that, I have included. I'll provide the more than 500 questions, and that is enough here. Okay. So your interview room, you'll not get the question from beyond these 500 questions, guys. So I'll provide this also. Okay, and these are the models, guys. We'll cover the mathematics, we'll cover the statistics, Python core and advanced we'll cover. And after that, we'll cover the Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, C1, SciPy, Scikit-learn. Okay, so these main libraries we'll cover. And after that, we'll jump into the data analyst roles, that data cleaning, data wrangling, feature engineering, feature selection, and dimension detections. So these are the data pre-processing steps that will uh, learn in depth. Okay. After that, data analytics will finish here. Okay. After this portion, and after this portion, machine learning will start. This is the complete role of the data scientist. So we'll cover the 25 machine learning algorithms. So we can see the names of all the algorithms. Okay, classification algorithms, regression algorithms, and clustering algorithms. Those we will completely discuss. And time series algorithms, additional. These are the very important. So complete 25 we are covering here. Okay, and these are the testing, how to test our machine learning models. So this gradually we'll discuss. For now, you don't you we first time we are having, right? So that's the reason we are not explaining here. Okay, and after that we'll cover the deep learning algorithms. Okay, networks. Okay, and lastly we'll cover the NLP.